The tactical pocket. All right, let's do it.
Wow, I don't believe I could get any slower than that.
Nice.
See, that just was all smooth when I was done.
It's because your fingers caught it. The only thing is this right here, that little grommet. I'm not a big fan of it. I'm going to swap out the base plates. I just don't like the way, because it catches on shit, and it wiggles around in your hand, so it pinches the skin on your finger. Just doesn't, I don't know. I think they could do better. That little angled one that they have, I think would be a much better idea.
Yeah.
So.
Huh? Oh. At the ready, sir. It looked like some pretty good hits, too. What the hell?
He actually hit the target!
In the dark? You're like, oh, I can't hit shit in the dark. Whatever, guy. You fucking blew that guy's belly button into his dick.
Do it. This is the perfect light because you got the backlight.
240 grain semi-wad cutters.
Okay.
But instead of the 20 grains of Winchester 296, this is 10 or like 10.1 grains of unique.
And this is what Minnesota's all about. The flying little demon birds. Ooh, that ain't nice? I think you're in more in front of the cylinder than you are anything else.
Wow, those really fly back.
You gotta see, it's all out the front of the cylinder. That's all that fire. It's like it's not even coming out the barrel.
Drop it. Lock it. That just fucking looks cool. I like that.
That's the only downer.
You can hear him echo back off of the backdrop back there.
Oh, you want me to shoot
it? Get on it, sir.
Okay, I thought we were going to hit it with the air light.
Take that soft drink to Sparta. Oh, there, yeah. It's leaking.
They'll drive it by. You see
awesome.
them, they tap on the brakes right away.
Do they?
I
suppose they're worried somebody's fucking winging around their direction.
I don't really blame them. I'd be a little worried myself.
Yeah. Well, and Gordy's in the fucking hospital, so... That was great. I got brass in my beard.
It gets better and better to shoot. It really does. You want to go at it again? Want one more?
Yeah, I'll drop another.
I mean, without having a mag holder or anything, you know what I mean?
That button's a little bit hard to get.
Yeah. Nice. That's one thing I was thinking about having them do, because what they'll do is they'll do the texturing.
Shave a little bit of the area around.
Well, and you can get an extended one too. You can get an extended button. Woo!
Very nice.
Very nice.
What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this shit?
Abdul can do it, I can do it. I'm tired of getting bit in the neck.
Oh, yeah. There's that.